Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create a warm coloring for your videos using the gray orange filter in CapCut. So first thing first, you just need to add the video that you want to edit and just add to filter and find the gray orange filter under the movies category. This one, gray orange. You can just adjust it how you like. I'm going to go with 85, then go to adjust and then set the sharpness of your video into your liking, but I'm going to go with maybe 60. Then exposure, you need to lower it a bit. I'm going to lower it to -30. Now you are done, and this will be the result. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye.